guess that's the beginning. I don't know where to even start. Thank you. Known you for a long time. Um, been wanting to get into trading for some time now, but never had the time or the funds. Honestly, COVID was kind of a blessing for me and my family because now I got the time and the funds. So it gave me the opportunity to come out here and see another side of a guy that I've known for a long time. A happy side. I mean, I've learned quite a bit for the past few days, and now take it home, apply it, and see where it goes from there. Only time will tell. And we'll see where it takes me and where we go after that. Still got a lot to learn. I've had a great time here. Every time I've come here, it's a fantastic time. You're a great guy. Can never say anything bad about you. Can't say enough good things about you. So, really, man, thanks for always being a blessing to me and my family and inviting us into your home. I guess until the next time we get back, man, we'll come back and visit plenty more times. Hope to be able to come in and help you out sometime during the future OMNICAMP and maybe, come in and give you a hand. So let me know. Is there anything I can do? I'm always 100% on your side, brother. Thank you very much.